Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. And in today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of SeedsNow. So let me take you to their website, which is seedsnow.com. For the ones who don't know about them, SeedsNow is an online platform that specializes in selling a variety of seeds for gardening purposes. They offer a wide range of non-GMO, heirloom, and organic seeds for vegetables, fruits, herbs, and flowers. You can purchase seeds from their website and use them for planting and cultivating your plants. Totally up to you. But we are not here for that. We are here to earn money from Seeds Now. Is it possible? Yes, it is. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Seeds Now and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to them, you could earn commission from that. Amazing, isn't it? So the question is, who can join the affiliate program, or rather, affiliates from which countries can join the affiliate program of Seeds Now? Affiliate from anywhere, doesn't matter whatever your country is, you can end up becoming part of SeedsNow affiliate program. Where can you promote them to the consumers? Of which country can you promote SeedsNow? As of now, they only ship to the consumers from United States of America, so you would only be able to promote them to the consumers of USA. So let's talk about the affiliate program. How can you join the affiliate program of theirs? For that, from the home page, you can scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you can click on affiliate program. From the left hand side, you see here, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Seeds Now. Over here, you get to see more information. As you can see, you can read it out for better understanding. Now, how exactly it works, you complete the registration process, you get your tracking link, you promote them through your website, blog, or social media channels. And when you bring sales to them, you could get 25% on the sale amount as commission. That's amazing. So let's create an affiliate account with SeedsNow. And for that, as I said, you can click on this link, which will take you to this page, the registration form. Over here, you can enter the details for the education purpose. I'm going to enter the details here, but that's going to be dummy. In your case, you have to ensure you enter the information correctly to the best of your knowledge. It's very important. So I'll write here the first name is John, last name is Alan Yu. The email address, you can enter your email address followed by a password, and then you can enter your address as well. Again, for the educational purpose, all the information I'm entering here, that's dummy. In your case, ensure you enter the proper details. Once you have entered your city, you can enter your state as well, and the postal or zip code, and then your country as well. You can type it in here. Thereafter, we got the phone number field here. You can keep it blank since it's optional. Then we got the field, why do you want to become a SeedsNow affiliate? Now, this is very important. Whatever you're going to write here, SeedsNow affiliate program team might read that information, and basis on that may allow you to stay in the affiliate program, or may decline you. That's why it's very important for you to explain here that why you want to become a SeedsNow affiliate. So in my case, again, for educational purpose, I got some dummy tags. In your case, ensure you write the explanation in here. Then the next question is, how do you plan to market SeedsNow products? So here you have to write about your planning or strategy that you will be following to promote SeedsNow product. In my case, you guessed it right. I'm going to go with the dummy text. And then comes, please include links to your blog or website where you plan to promote SeedsNow products. So where do you plan to promote them? On website, blog, social media page, whatever you plan to do, so ensure you enter your links in here. And let's say if you plan to promote them on multiple places, then you can enter multiple URLs in here for separated by a comma. And it's very important so that they get to see where exactly you're promoting them. And once you have entered all these details, you can tick mark by registering you agree to refusion terms of service. You can click on terms of service to read the terms of service for them, and then thereafter you can click on sign up. It can take you through the captcha process. You can complete the captcha. Once you have completed the captcha, it will take you through the registration process to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is the dashboard. This is the place where you would be able to take your tracking link. You can promote them, and you would be able to see other details too. So where do you start? You can, since you got the affiliate dashboard access for SeedsNow, you can start promoting them. But can you take any link from their website and promote them? No, that's not how it works. You should be using your own tracking link. And for that, you can click on creatives, and over here you get to see the banners available that you can put on your website. For example, if you are interested in this banner, just so you know, all these banners are dynamic. That means if you're going to integrate these banners on your website or blog, the content, the image you see here or the text you see here may get updated. Totally depends on SeedsNow when they want to update. So if you want to integrate such banners, look at the size and whatever suits your website or blog need, you can click on that specific banner, and there will be an HTML link code that you can take and enter it in the backend of your website or blog. But if you don't want to go with that option, and rather you want to use your own tracking link, or rather you want to use a URL link, or want to create your own tracking link, for that you can click on dashboard, and over here you will get to see your own tracking link in here in URL format. So you can copy this. You can also click on shorten link, and this will just shorten it for you. You can copy it and start sharing it with your audience through website, social media account, or blog, totally up to you. But this will only take the person to the homepage of SeedsNow. What if you want to create a link to a specific page on SeedsNow? For example, I got this page, which will take the person to the Beat Seeds page on SeedsNow. In that case, you can take the entire URL, copy it, go back to the dashboard, click on create link to a specific page, and over here you can enter the URL that you want to convert into tracking link, and then click on create link. You will have an option to shorten it too, because if you look at it, it's quite a long one. So in your case, you can click on shorten, and it will shorten it up, and then you can copy this URL and share it accordingly. So this is how you generate your tracking link. Okay, so you got yourself an account. You now know how to create tracking link. Where can you promote them? Where can you promote seats now? That's another question. But there are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one way is you could promote them on any website or blog, totally up to you. Let's talk about website. Whatever kind of website you got, maybe pick any section of your website where you feel like that seats now could be of interest to your audience. Just put the advertisement of seats now on that section of the website. The second option is the blog. And on blog, I think blog could be amazing because you could write blog posts about different seeds, and then at the end of each blog post, you can say if you're interested about these seeds, here's a link for it, and put your tracking link over there. So that would be amazing. The third way is home and garden website. And I think this kind of website could be good because people would come to your home or garden website to see about different herbs, vegetables, and all that. And if they find the advertisements of seeds now, come on, they will anyways be interested to buy such stuff. So it will be easier for you to generate sales for them and hence commission for you. Then comes the social media account. So maybe you got a Facebook account, a Twitter account, or YouTube account, whatever kind of account you got. I think social media doesn't matter, whatever kind of account you got, you can promote seeds now over there. Maybe do daily post, or maybe create something intuitive and send the post to your audience, to your followers or subscribers there. And this way you can bring more sales to seeds now. So that's how you can promote them. There are many ways as well you can think, and whatever you feel like could be a good strategy, you can follow it. So let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? To see your performance, you have to come back to your dashboard again. And over here, you can click on, if you even click on dashboard, you'll see your quick analytics in here, the estimated payment, commission and approval, and previous payment received as well. And if you click on reporting, you get to see even more details report. Over here, you can run different kind of reports like account based report, creative, SKU, and conversion based report. So this is how you will see your performance. But what about the payment of it? So the commissions that you have generated, you can expect to get the commission from Seeds now in a week's time once it's been approved, and that will be via PayPal on Fridays. So for that, you can click on settings to ensure you have updated your payment details, and over here you can click on payment settings and provide your PayPal email address. And then over here, you can enter your PayPal email address, check mark, use this method to receive payments and save changes. And then whatever commissions you will generate, SeedsNow may look at it, may take some time to approve it, and once that's been approved, you can expect to get it in a week's time. And whatever payment being issued from SeedsNow to you, you would be able to see the history of it within this section, payment history sections. You can always come here and you can see all the payment that's being issued to you. So that's how you create an affiliate account with SeedsNow. You start promoting them, you start generating commission, and start getting the payment for it. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in your affiliate marketing journey. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.